for this egusi soup, these are all the ingredients we'll be using. First, we got egusi, which is the main base of the soup, then our palm oil or red oil. Over here, we got periwinkle, or you can call it isam, because that's what we call it over here. And it's optional, I decided to add it. Then blended pepper and crayfish, seasoning cube and salt, our fufu, onions and uziza leaf. You can also use ogun, which is vegetable leaf, or use olugo, which is bitter leaf. But me, I prefer uziza. Then ogun, which is my second choice. I don't like bitter leaf. In case you don't like onions, you can just add a little just for the frying and taste. You'll notice I didn't include any protein in my ingredient short. That's because I had already started boiling my proteins. I'm using stockfish here and canda for this, but use any protein you like. Let's get into how I season them. Seasoning cube, then salt, pepper, and onions. I mixed my egusi with water. I decided to add a little more because it was very thick. I was frying my onions and pepper. I then added the egusi. I decided to add a little oil to it. I then added my proteins. Decided to pound my seasoning cubes with my crayfish. Added it into the egusi. Turn to your satisfaction. Used my microwave to warm my fufu. You can still warm yours the normal way or use gari, but I was craving fufu. Also use semo or pounded yam. I added my salt. I actually forgot I didn't add salt. I then added isam. You can also use the shell one, but I prefer using this for egusi soup. Trust me, this usually disappear after turning it. I just don't know why. So guys, do wait to like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe please. The last, added my uziza leaf, and you should add this when your soup is already done. Not only for uziza leaf, but any other leaf like bitter leaf or ogun, that's vegetable leaf. My fufu is already ready. You guys can use any swallow of your choice. Okay guys, our food is already done. You should bring your plate because I know this is gonna be so yummy. Obviously it's yummy. You should please rate me on this, though I know it's a 10 over 10. Yes, I was eating on the floor because why not? If you reach your own turn, no sit down for floor, make food enter your body. Eh? I digested it with zobo. I would have cleaned up immediately after cooking, but I was very hungry, so I ate first before cleaning up. So guys, for me the next Nigerian recipe you want me to make, I did for now. Bye. Love you.